In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Trust Wallet to DEXTools. So the first thing you need is of course the Trust Wallet extension on your Chrome, and once you have this and once you're logged in, we can then continue. So once you have it, you want to go over here to dextools.io, and from here click on Connect at the very top right over here. And after that, it will say step 1, connect your wallet. So we just want to click connect over here, this blue button. And over here, it will give you the list of all possible wallets you can connect. And one of them, as you can see, is Trust Wallet. And in case you do have it as an extension like me, as you can see over here, then you'll be able to simply click on it over here because it's going to say installed. So you can just click on Trust Wallet. And then you're going to get this kind of pop-up window where you simply want to press connect after you see it. And in a few seconds, as you can see, it's going to basically connect your wallet. And then what you have to do is just verify it. And the way you do this is by clicking verify wallet over here. And it's going to open up yet another pop-up over here. And then simply press confirm. And after you do this, in just a few seconds, as you can see, your user account will be confirmed and your wallet will be completely connected. Now, if you go up here to your Trust Wallet, you can also see it currently says not connected. However, after a few seconds, when you refresh your browser, it's going to say connected. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.